To replace Junior's screen, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, the flathead screwdriver included in Junior's box, and a new screen. Before starting any repair on Junior, turn his side power switch off and remove his dustbin. Then flip Junior over onto a flat surface and remove his main brush using the flathead screwdriver. Keep all removed screws and parts safely aside, as they may be needed for later reassembly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 7 screws on Junior's underside that hold him together. There are 5 screws along the edges of Junior, 1 screw on each side of the front wheel, 1 screw to the right of the main brush motor, and 1 screw on each side of the dustbin. The final 2 screws are in Junior's brush compartment. Junior's cover is no longer secured, so hold the top and bottom together as you carefully flip him back onto his wheels. Grip Junior's cover from the back and lift up to expose the mainboard. Slide the power inlet down and tuck it somewhere safe to avoid compressing its wires. Disconnect 4 circuit plugs, 2 at the lower edge of the mainboard near the wheels, and 2 more at the top edge near the bumper. Now that Junior's cover is detached, flip it over onto a flat surface to see the interior. Then remove the 4 screws securing Junior's screen. Keep these screws close by for the next step. Move all wires out of the way as you lift out the screen and all of its parts. Place the new faceplate and cover buttons face down in the open space. Then place the springs on top, between each plus sign. Lastly, align the screen's circuit board with the screw posts on Junior's cover. You may wish to lift the cover slightly to allow space for Junior's docking sensor. With the screen lying flat, install the 4 screws removed previously. Now you're ready to reattach Junior's cover. Reattach all 4 circuit plugs connecting Junior's cover to the main board. There are 2 that connect to the top edge of the main board, and 2 more that connect to the bottom edge. Remember to slide the power inlet back into its space on Junior's cover. Align the cover's edges precisely. Then flip Junior over onto a flat surface. Reinstall all 7 screws previously removed from Junior's underside. Install the main brush and dustbin before your next use, and Junior is completely reassembled. Turn the side power switch back on and congratulations, you've just replaced Junior's screen. Happy cleaning!